Are you a talented speaker? Do you have a great voice? If so, using your voice is one of the many ways to make money online or offline. You could do voiceovers for commercials, narrate educational videos, or provide readings for audiobooks. You could also give presentations and speak at events. If you have a knack for public speaking, you have even more opportunities. You could become a keynote speaker or a public speaker for businesses. Whatever your talent and skills, there are likely several ways to make money online that involve using your voice. So whether you're looking for a quick way to make some extra cash or want to explore a more full-time income opportunity, this video is for you. But before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's look at what kind of work is available to voiceover actors. People with voices that can be heard can easily find work as voice actors. This type of work is perfect for people with pleasant voices who are easy to listen to. There are many types of voice acting jobs available, and the pay varies depending on the type of job. Some common types of voice acting jobs include commercial voiceovers, narrations, character voices, and educational videos. Commercial voiceovers are usually paid by the hour, while narrations usually pay by the project. Character voices typically pay by the number of lines spoken, while educational videos pay by the number of views. These types of projects can be very lucrative, especially if you have a pleasant voice that is easy to listen to. You can also provide voiceover services for businesses or individuals who need a narrator for their videos, presentations, or podcasts. You can monetize your voice by providing commentary for video games or other multimedia content. This type of work requires a lot of script reading and takes time to perfect your delivery style. Here are the best 5 ways to make money online using your voice. Upwork is an excellent resource for finding voice work. With so many projects available, you can find something that fits your skill set and makes money. Provide voiceover services as a freelancer. This is the most popular way to earn money through Upwork, and thousands of projects are available to choose from. Find a project that interests you and bid on it. If you're successful, you'll be given directions on how to complete the project. Earn royalties through voice-over licensing agreements. If you have a portfolio of quality voice-over recordings, you could ask other businesses to license them for their use or sell them outright. Sell your work to a company that uses voice-over services to promote products and advertise. If you have the skills, there's no limit on how many projects you can take on. Or join a community of voice-over artists and work on projects together. If you are passionate about voiceover, this is the perfect place to connect with other artists and grow your portfolio. Voices Now is a voice recognition platform that allows users to make money by recording and selling audio content. Users can choose from various tasks, such as answering customer questions, providing transcription services, or recording advertisements. Voices Now also offers a subscription service that allows users to earn money for conducting recordings regularly. The platform offers a variety of payment options, including PayPal, Venmo, and gift cards. Voices Now also offer rewards for users who achieve high ratings and reviews. The Voices app is available on iOS and Android platforms. To sign up, you will need to contact them through the Contact Us link and tell them what you can do. They'll get back to you if interested. It will start you in the ways of the professional world. Snap Recordings is a new app that lets users make money by sharing short voice recordings. Users can create ads, stories, or even songs and earn payouts for each one they share. The app is free to download and use, and users can start making money right away by sharing their recordings with friends. There are some ways to make money with Snap Recordings. Users can create ads and sell them to other users. They can also choose to keep the ad revenue or share it with the ad's creator. Users can create stories or songs and sell them to other users. They can also choose to keep the story revenue or share it with the story's creator. VoiceSettlement is a website that allows people to make money using their voices. They offer various ways for people to make money, including paid surveys, paid transcription, and paid video hosting. Payouts are made through PayPal or direct deposit. VoiceBunny pays users to use their voice. The website offers a variety of ways for users to make money, including paid recordings, transcription, and voiceover work. VoiceBunny also offers a variety of payment options, including PayPal and Venmo. The website has a large user base with over 1 million registered users. Tips for starting your own voice-based business. If you want to start a voice-based business, there are a few things you need to do first. 1. Find an exciting topic or niche on which you can focus. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract potential customers. Once you have a topic or niche picked out, create a website about it. This will serve as your online presence and allow people to find your services and products. Then find an audience that will appreciate your content. In some cases, you may not have to sell your voice-based business at all. For example, let's say you'd like to start a one-on-one counseling business, but have no intention of selling your services for cash. Instead, you'd like to offer free counseling sessions via messaging and call-in services. However, many people will not want to pay for your advice, so you may want to consider offering a discount or bonus to early adopters of your new service. Utilize social media platforms to connect with potential customers. For example, you can start a Twitter account and use it to promote your business. You can also use social media platforms to follow up with potential customers after they've expressed interest in your services. For instance, you can tweet about a new offer or update them on how the service is going. Develop a podcast or create video content to capture attention. While podcasting and YouTube videos may be more expensive to produce than traditional paid advertising, they're a way to build a large following of loyal customers. Establish an email newsletter for customers who want more information about your products or services. Offer paid surveys and other forms of paid participation opportunities. Sell your products and services online using voice search engines and marketplaces. Use voice technology to interact with customers on behalf of brands or businesses. Summarize the key takeaways and advise anyone interested in starting a voice-based business. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online. Some require a lot of time, effort, or skill. Others are much easier and more convenient. The best way to find out which option is right for you is to explore all the possibilities and see what works best for you. There are many different ways to make money online, so start exploring today. My best advice: if you don't want to spend any money on membership plans on sites such as Voices, is to use any good freelancing sites like Fiverr or Upwork. You can join for free. Then put up your service and work your way from there. After sometimes doing work on such freelancing sites, you'll get a pretty good idea of whether or not you have what it takes. And by that time, you will have made enough money to justify paying for one of those membership plans on more prominent sites. Who knows, maybe one day we will be hearing you narrate one of our favorite TV shows. Well, that brings us to an end if you enjoyed this video. So like this video and consider subscribing to our channel. As always, thank you guys for watching. We will meet you again in an upcoming video.